Okay, yeah. Now it's on record, Vineet. You can take the control. You can share the screen. Yeah. I'll just mute myself. Yeah, Vineet, you can start. Others, is it audible? Check. Vineet, we can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Fine, fine. Okay.
So my screen
Vineet,
visible?
your screen is visible. Okay. Okay. The sixth module unit will be covered by Vineet and team. They have formed a team wherein they'll be covering the entire sixth unit. Okay. Yeah, Vineet, you can start the presentation.
Yes, sir. Unit 6, social media channels. Introduction. Social media refers to the websites and applications that are designed to allow people to share content quickly, efficiently, and in real time. Example, Facebook, WhatsApp. So social media are websites and applications that are designed to allow people to share content quickly and in real time. Like they can share their live views about things and share information according as per the real time. Traditional media refers to the form of mass media that focuses on delivering news to the general public. Example, TV and newspapers. Traditional media has a gap of time. For example, the news that we read today in the newspaper is of previous day, like about yesterday is what happened. The information is given today in the newspapers. Whereas at TV, it is not in real time. There's a difference between the timing. For example, the events which took place in the morning will be reported or shown on TV by the evening.
Okay. Vineet,
Traditional
can you come to slide two? Vineet, you're in slide one.
some slide two, sir. It's not visible, sir.
No,
Hello.
no, no, no. No, no, it's not visible. Yeah, now it's fine. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you want
yeah.
me to repeat the second slide?
No, no, the explanation is fine. Your classmates can ask you questions. You're doing good. Go ahead.
Okay, sir.
जावेद had some question. जावेद कुछ पूछना था यार?
नहीं नहीं सर.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay.
Traditional media versus social media. Social media is multiple media, high level of interaction. Most of the social media is free. So social media is like we can share multiple. We can share information through multiple media through images, videos, and the videos can be content of only of images, a lot of information. However, interaction like we can share the information with our friends, colleagues, like and comment over certain and have our own views over it. Most of the social media is free. For example, Instagram, Facebook, or we can freely share information with the friends and the companions. Traditional media, one format, low level of interaction. It's high priced one format. For example, the traditional market, like for example, a banner, it has a specific format, like the specific for a banner or something. The interaction of it will be very low. For example, the banner is at a certain place in the market, but only people who come to the market or a specific area will get the information through the banner. It is highly priced. A lot of like too much of money should be spent on the banners in the for to share the information. Social media channels, social networking. It's internet-based social media sites. So social networking, it's based on the internet websites. For example, Instagram, Facebook, where we can interact with the friends and companions. Content creation, something that is expressed through some media. Content creation is all about where people share their views about something by writing blogs, poetry, etc., and they express themselves in form of words, images, and videos. Bookmarking, websites which visitor frequently, their URL can be stored on a computer for quicker access. Marking is a feature where we can share the website links on our computers, where we can quickly get access to them whenever we need it. Location and social media. Location-based social media, social networks that use the GPS feature. For example, Snapchat, where we can share a live location over it. So any friend or people who are in our contact list can know where our location, and if they are close by, they can contact us.
Okay, well covered, Vinith. Okay, any questions for Vinith? Nice examples, in fact. Okay, and the explanation was quite good. Okay, really, really good. Nice. Next person, you want to start? If you got any questions for Vinith, you can just shoot the questions. Else, next person can start the presentation. Vinith, what's the plan? Who is going to start the presentation next?
So I'm going to start.
Kumar. Okay. Yeah, Kumar. Yes, Kumar. Start. Share your screen and start the presentation.
Say screen visible?
Yeah. Yes. Go ahead. Sorry. Yeah.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My topic is tracking social media campaigns. So let's understand one by one. The first point will be set goals. So before you start planning every social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and comment on your products or a brand, you need to set a certain goals and have a clear idea about what you are trying to do with the help of social media campaigns, and then utilize your idea and choose a correct social media platform and achieve your goal. So next, create a matrix for measuring goals. So now we all got a clarity about defined goals. Uh, uh, now you need to coordinate with your goals with real practice and measure your matrix. So next, measure your success. So whenever you are settled on a suitable matrix, you need to uh, track down the right tools to catch their metrics. Some social media channels gives analysis themselves. In any cases, you may also utilize a few third-party tools like Google Analytics, Hotsite, and Cloud to capture metrics. So if you are not sure about the specific tools, then you can ask to the experts, or you can do a research online. Then it will be helpful to the assess all the data which we can need later. Next, monitor and report. So your underlying discovers will establish a framework for future estimation. The early figure help you figure out where to go with your future campaign. And also you should regularly should regular in the social media what can happen, and some social medias we should be a regular daily basis, then only we can monitor and report on it. So next, rectify errors. So last, it is important to review your measurement system from time to time. You 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 were been missing something, anything, attempt a sort out every one of the things you can improve or make a changes accordingly. You also need to check your underlying goals and ensure your metrics are really assisting you to achieve your goal themselves. So this is all about my topic. Thank you. Any queries, please?
Okay, if there are any questions for Kumar, you can just ask him. Okay. So basically, he's trying to tell you how to track the social media campaigns. Okay, whenever a marketer comes up with the campaigns, okay, say for example, I make a campaign of saying for Deepavali, Amazon is making a campaign saying for 10 days mega sale. Okay, so how do they set the goals? How they track it? Everything you need to understand. Okay, social media simply they don't do it. When once they set the goals, say for example, for next 10 days we are going to come up with the offers in the market for the customers. So they're setting the goals. They are going to track it. They are going to check the matrices at the end. Okay, have you reached the end goal or not? That is what we got to check. Okay, setting the goals. What we say social media campaigns. Okay, so that's really nice topic, Kumar. Okay, next person. What's the plan? Chetan.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah, yeah. Share your screen and you can do it. Today, how many of you are going to do the presentation? Yeah, Chetan, you wanted to say something. Yeah.
Sir, I am the last one.
You're the last one. Okay, fine, fine. Go ahead, go ahead. Good, good, guys. You guys are doing great thing. Okay, good. Yeah, social
My
media
topic is
marketing.
social
Okay.
media marketing.
Okay. Chetan,
Social
before you
media
speak,
marketing or SSM.
Chetan, 1 second. Chetan, 1 second. Sorry to interrupt. Students, 3 marks question in your paper. Most of the time appeared in the paper for 3 marks. Okay. Yeah, start, Chetan. Yeah.
Social media marketing or SSM is a form of internet marketing that involves the creating and sharing the content on social media network in order to achieve your marketing and branding goals. Social media marketing includes activity like posting text and image updates, video, and other content that drive audience engagement as well as paid social media advertising. For example, Facebook marketing, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat.
Okay.
Rules of engagement: finding find great content. We have to find a great content which is interact our audience, and we have to be updated regularly. Listening to audience, we have to engagement with the audience means we have to listen their comments and we have to reply. We have to give answer to their comments. Catalyze your community. We have to fast going community. We have to maintain in the our contents and videos in such a way that we have to that audience have to be interested in our product, and we have to gain our community in a very fast manner. Remembering it's a conversation. Whenever we want to post new videos and content, we have to post in such a way that by imagining that in front of our real customer, we have to talk conversation. We are doing conversation in front of our real customer. In that way, we have to create our post and videos. Be a unique. Social media marketing is nowadays a very crowded place, so being unique is very important. By creating attractive animations and all, it is very important to maintain uniqueness. Advantages: increase brand awareness. We can easily increase our brand awareness by using social media. Better customer satisfaction. uh, because we can in our post we can list our features at appearance of our product. A customer can easily understand what is product and what is the application of product. So it is very useful to guide in a useful way to means there is no misguidance to the customer, and that result will be converted into the customer satisfaction, positive customer satisfaction. Cost effective, it is very cost effective. In less cost we can post our ads in social media. Um, Increasing inbound traffic, it is very easy to increase inbound traffic by using social media. Gaining market insight also is very easy by using social media, because 3 million users are there, and 30 million, sorry, 30 million users are there and still increasing of social media. Disadvantages of social media marketing is exposure to the competitor. Means whatever our ideas are there, it is directly exposure to our competitor. They can easily copy our ideas. Need to qualify personally. We need a skill operator to maintain our website and social accounts and all. Slow return on investment. If we, I mean, we can't instantly get result on social media. We have to maintain our daily post reports and daily videos. On basis of that, our followers and all, we will get the returns. Stain brand name. If something happens, bad news of our brand, means any bad news that will be affect very fastly on social media. For example, day before yesterday, Ronaldo uh, removes that Coca-Cola bottle, that very impacted on the stocks. Uh, Next one is time consuming. It is very time consuming. We have to create post and all, and writing the blogs and making video editing. It is very time consuming process. Sir, it's all. Thank you. Hello. 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 Hello.
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ चेतन।
सुनाई नहीं दे रहे। हेलो।
हाँ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है। हाँ
वो
ये सुनाई
प्रेजेंटेशन
दे रहा
हुआ
है।
मेरा,
हाँ तो
दिखाई
शायद
नहीं दे
सर
क्या?
का नेटवर्क चला गया रहेगा। नहीं दिखाई दिया सब कुछ। उस सर का शायद
हाँ
नेटवर्क ये हो रहा रहेगा। हाँ
हाँ हाँ।
ओके।
हेलो, मीटिंग लीव करेंगे?
हेलो सर। हेलो।
सर नहीं है रे अभी तक।
नहीं है क्या?
अभी वो सर को भी अलाउ करके पूछता है क्या?
कैसा पूछूं फिर?
वही पूछ रहा मैं,
रुक एक मिनट,
उनको कौन
व्हाट्सएप
अलाउ
पे
करने
मैसेज
वाला?
करता हूँ। एक मिनट रुक। क्या हाँ चेतन।
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ उनका नेटवर्क आएगा रे वो।
हाँ हाँ, लेफ्ट होंगे अभी बाद में। वाह,
हाँ
मैं अकेला ही था।
सर लॉग आउट हो चुके
हाँ।
हैं।
चलो बाय बाय।
हेलो चेतन।
हाँ बोल। हाँ बोल।
हेलो। अरे तो एक
हाँ बोल।
कोको कोला का क्रिस्टियानो वो एग्जाम्पल वो क्या समझा नहीं।
वही तो रे, वो मेरे को फेक है
हेलो।
क्या रियल है मालूम नहीं है। और शेयर प्राइस कोको कोला का डिक्रीज हुआ तो परसों एकदम से।
हाँ क्यों?
वो रोनाल्डो ने वो मीडिया के सामने ना, वो कोको कोला का बोतल
हाँ
हटा के और पानी का बोतल ऐसा रख के ले आना है, वो ऐसा क्या तो हुआ वो।
हाँ, लेकिन क्यों ऐसा क्यों किया?
क्या मालूम नहीं रे, वो क्या तो ऐसा मीडिया के सामने वैसा होने के बाद उसका प्राइस डिक्रीज हुआ वैसा बोल तो क्या तो आया था वो।
हाँ हाँ, उसका रीजन रीजन पता नहीं क्या, वो रिमूव क्यों किया करके बोतल।
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
और ये पानी को प्रमोट
ओके
किया
ओके
उसने।
वही।
मैं सीधा
हाँ
बोला
हाँ
वहाँ पे
हाँ
ड्रिंक
ऐसा क्या?
वाटर, वो
ओके
पेप्सी, वो
ओके।
बॉटल्स कोको कोला के बाजू में रखी है, नहीं बोला ड्रिंक वाटर बोल के। तो उसकी वजह से उनका ब्रांड को
हाँ
ये
हाँ
हो
हाँ
गया
ओके
डैमेज, और
ओके।
सब लोग पीने बंद किए, वो पूरे फैंस उसके।
हाँ 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 ओके ओके
हेलो।
ओके।
हेलो।
हाँ
हाँ
मिनाल।
चेतन, मॉड्यूल प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए 6 मॉड्यूल ओनली ना? मैं लास्ट क्लास एब्सेंट थी।
वो ऐसा क्या, नहीं तो कौन सा भी ले सकते हैं।
ऑल 6 मॉड्यूल में से?
हाँ ले सकते, तेरे को कौन सा टॉपिक चाहिए वो ले सकते हैं।
हाँ, एक टॉपिक लेके एक प्रेजेंटेशन। ओके, थैंक यू।
चलो भाई, ये रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है, चलो क्लास छोड़ेंगे।
चलो चलो, बाय बाय।